wan shanga pibaro kibashitong bat ibakia jingken.
Myntri ke tnad tourism ke Sorkar Jylla ba Paul Lyngdoh ula pyntip ba de ke Sorkar Jylla ke ba Pynlut hi na ke bynta ban pynphuh pynphieng da ki jingthaba ba itynnad ya ke Nongbah Shillong ba Tura ha ke ni ka aiom Khristmas. Ula iathuh ba ke ni ke sienjam ka long ban khring ki nongwankai sha ke ni ke Jylla ba ru ban Pynitynnad ya ki sawdong sawkun ja ke Nongbah Shillong ba Tura hakum ke ni ka aiom lehkmen.
So for the first time, this year's Christmas decorations throughout the city of Shillong as well as Tura, the state government through the Department of Tourism is sponsoring the Christmas light and the decorations, and from tonight you will see these various venues and points in the city as well as Tura being decked up in preparation for the festivities. So we are happy that in the previous years we have had private parties being involved, but this year the state government has come forward in a big way to showcase Shillong's welcome of Christmas, and we also are expecting that this will also add to our attraction as a tourist hub, and more particularly several families are visiting the capital city, and I'm sure they'll all be delighted by the splendor and the brightness that awaits them. I don't have the exact figures. I think the directorate is working on with private groups, but it should be well within our budgetary limits.